this video we will create store listings. So we have to open Canva. If you are not logged in, then you have to create account for Canva and simply add your gameplay screenshots. These are some of my gameplay screenshots. I just edit. I'm creating feature graphics. So I'm just making some borders of these images. Now I will make it something like this, Now give color, white color to the borders. Now I think it's looking fine. In the center, I will add icon of my game, so it looks good. This is my game icon. If you want to write something here, you can also write it. I will use some designs.
I will write here some text like I will use this one. I will delete this and I will get some sort of keywords on my feature image like pair matching or drag match and solve. I will use this text here and then I will make it 100. 100, it's look better. Drag match and solve. Now I will give it a color black. I will make it black. I will make it completely black. So select all, make it black. Now we have feature image ready. I will also give it some lines like this and give it a color. I will give it white color. It looks pretty good. Now I will also, so yeah, it looks good. Now download, sorry, give it blue color like this or this. I think this one is better. So we will use this one. Download now, and after downloading you have to add this feature image on our default store listing. Add assets, add phone screenshots. We will upload it right now. We will update this later, but currently we are using these screenshots like this. Currently we are using these screenshots. We are adding all them. Our feature graphic must be 15 MB and 1024 by 500. So first of all we will image resizers. We will select our image from downloads. We will select this image and we will give it 1024 by 500. 1024 by 500. Must uncheck this background fill so it will fetch your image. Then export it. After exporting, download your image. And my baby is done. I have to go to her, but first I will complete this. Now, after downloading your image, you have to upload it. You have to add feature image. So first upload it, the image you have downloaded after resizing. Now you successfully added your feature image. Similarly, add all of these screenshots. Rearrange. So your best screenshots must be in the start. Now hit save button. Now we will add in, first of all we will add internal testing. We will upload here we will upload our build. Also we ask ChatGPT kindly write release notes for our app, for our game. Writing 4 to 5 lines into tag like this. Simply copy this and paste it here. If there are some errors after uploading this, we will see them and then resolve them. Now hit next button, save and publish. Now manage release. Your app is now available to internal testers. You can also send it for production. First of all, you have to select countries and regions. Add all the countries. Hit save button. Go to overview and send your changes for review.
Finally, my game is live. I received this email. Your update to Excel loot match created on January 19. So I will go to my Play console. Here you can see Excel loot match is live on the Play Store.